Monday, our last Monday before the winter break, our last Monday together in 2020. And then the next time we see you for a Monday, it will be 2021. Let's make this a great week. We have lots of exciting things happening this week. We have a special guest speaker. We're going to learn about Google Earth with Mrs. Highfield this week on Monday and Wednesday and Thursday. We have a special field trip that we're going to take with Mrs. Hamblin's class on Zoom to learn about safety on Tuesday. And then at the end of the week, a holiday class party on Zoom. So let's make it a good week. I know you guys can do it. In your WOW folder, your purple WOW folder, let's write down our new word of the week, ecstatic. And you can tell by how I said it that that's a big clue. When our teacher said we were going to have a play day on Friday, the class became ecstatic and started cheering. Guess what this word means? Okay, now we're going to do our last page in our fluency packet. Field mouse and house mouse. Might be a powerful pattern in there. Go ahead and record your words you've read at the bottom of the page for day 1. There's a fun Let's Learn About Reindeer link that has a lot of factual videos and information. We want you to check this out today. You might not have time to see all of them, so you can do that throughout the day whenever you have extra time or at the end of the day. Because we want you to be on time for science at 8:45 with Mrs. Erickson. And then when we meet on our class Zoom at 9:15 after science, please bring the Ziploc bag that has the brown paper, red paper. We're going to be making a reindeer today of our own. And we're going to be reading about caribou, which is the more scientific name for reindeer. So please bring that bag with the brown paper, red paper. And then there's a passage that has facts and information about caribou we're going to read about. Okay. Then we have small groups where we'll be reading from our winter festival packet. We know what that looks like with the, let me give you a sneak peek, just so to refresh your memory from last week with the world and the kids on the front. And then right after our small groups, we are going to be meeting Mrs. Highfield, a guest speaker, and she's going to be doing a lesson with us all about how to use Google Earth. We've looked at it a little bit when we've done our holiday around the world slides. She's going to show us some really cool things that we can do with Google Earth. And today we're going to meet her at 11 o'clock. So maybe start logging on a little before at like 10:55. So really excited to have Mrs. Highfield join us from 11 to 11:30. But again, start logging on, just remind yourself so that we're not late so she can begin right away. And after lunch, you'll be taking a trip to India. So exciting to learn more about Diwali. So after you do that, if you have extra time, you can go back and look at some of the videos from the Let's Learn About Reindeer link from earlier. And lastly, on this Monday, please come to Walnut Grove from 1:15 to 2 o'clock anytime and pick up some materials that you'll need for this week, for this special week, because we've been working hard on a special present that's kind of been a secret, but I have something to go along with that, and then Mrs. DeLawton also has, and I have something special for you that we want to give you, a little gift before the holidays. So please remind Mom and Dad to come swing by at 1:15 or anytime after that until about 2 o'clock. At Walnut Grove, and all of your bags will be out with your names on them. Woo, that's a lot, boys and girls. Please make sure that you get your materials ready right now so that you're ready for the day, because it's going to be a big, full day of learning. Okay, I will see you after science.